When Indonesians need a break from the tropical heat and the frantic pace of the capital, they head straight up in the mountains, and nestled 700 metres above the sea level, there is a beautiful destination of which is Indonesia's third largest city, and arguably one of its more charming. This is the city of Bandung. Part of the adventure and trip itself is getting to Bandung from Jakarta, and if you want the absolute most scenic bucket list way to travel, you should forget standard train journeys and opt for the Kereta Panoramic, operated by KAI. Renowned for its amazing luxury experience, this truly was one of the most amazing ways to get around. The specially engineered cars replace train walls with massive floor-to-ceiling tempered glass windows and an automatic glass sunroof. As the train climbs out of the hot coastal plains and winds through the misty mountains, the carriage gives you an unobstructed 180-degree of Java's stunning landscapes. The design shifts your attention upward and outward, making bridges, cuttings and mountain contours part of the experience rather than just the background. The carriage holds around 38 to 40 plush leather seats that can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to turn towards or face the window or your travel partners. There are also inclusive snacks whilst you are travelling. This included bottled water, a hot and cold drink, freshly baked bread, snacks and the cutest little box of popcorn, served by the friendliest train attendants. This entire journey is something that we will both treasure forever. The sights are so very remarkable and completely unbelievable to witness, but the sheer comfort, the beautiful views and the people made this transit one of the most memorable sightseeing highlights of our trip across Java. Bandung's historical heart revolves around the street of Jalan Braga. In the 1920s, this cobblestone promenade was the playground of European plantation owners, who shopped for Parisian haute couture and dined at high-end brasseries. Long before Instagram made aesthetic heritage streets a travel category, Braga Street was already the high fashion runway of Southeast Asia. The street is now a magnetic collision of 1920s Art Deco architecture, hidden courtyard cafes, sidewalk art dealers and a buzzing indie nightlife. Beyond that, just wandering and looking around, you might enter inside the local markets, the quirky art galleries, the modern coffee shops and the vintage bakeries. There really is something for everyone here. Yet one of the biggest highlights was jumping on one of the bandrosses for only 20,000 rupiah. These bright double-decker style buses roll by packed with locals and tourists, waving and enjoying the city's official sightseeing bus. Every bandros ride comes with a friendly, local and very funny guide on board. And as you cruise through the historical neighbourhoods, they narrate the city's rich history, they point out the Art Deco architectural secrets, and will crack jokes in their signature warm style. If you take the winding road north of Bandung and up into the cool mountain breezes of Lembang, you will hit one of West Java's most popular family destinations. This is Mania. Operated under the Simmery Group umbrella, which is famous for their dairy parks and shops all across Java. Mania is an outdoor, photocentric park featuring over 80 meticulously detailed miniature replicas of iconic global landmarks. It is designed as a playful, colourful outdoor geography lesson that lets you globetrot across all of Europe, Asia and the Americas in a single walk. The main walking circuit takes you past a scaled down, photo-ready version of the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty, Stonehenge, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal, and Indonesia's very own Prambanan Temple. Because it is part of the Simmery ecosystem, the exit leads directly through a large market that offers fresh milk, flavoured yogurts, pastries and regional Bandung souvenirs. Visiting here is perfect if you're spending a relaxed day exploring Lembang's cool air. It's a very light-hearted, enjoyable 1 to 2 hour stop. Then, just moments away, if you head up the main road towards Lembang in northern Bandung, you'll hit one of the region's most famous roadside attractions. This is Farmhouse Susu Lembang, translated as the Lembang Milk Farmhouse. This isn't a working industrial dairy farm. Instead, it's a whimsical, European-inspired country village park that was built right into the cool mountain air. Known for its fairy tale photo opportunities, family petting zoo and signature, yummy, fresh milk drinks. It's one of the most popular quick stops along the Lembang tourist corridor. You can also visit one of the many small restaurants and shops that sell everything from local delicacies to souvenirs. And the best thing about visiting here is that you can pair this visit with the floating market, just moments away. Perched around a serene natural lake is the floating market in Lembang. Unlike traditional river trade markets, this park combines a lakefront culinary hub with an expansive family garden, themed cultural villages and outdoor activities. There are dozens of colourful wooden canoes that are docked up on the boardwalk, where vendors cook authentic dishes directly on board. There is a tranquil Japanese and Korean themed zone, complete with wooden bridges, bamboo groves, torii gates, and traditional games and experiences to enjoy. You can also enjoy a ride on the park's miniature railway that winds and loops the entire park. It's a great space, especially if you have a family, to come and enjoy one of the better all-in-one stops in northern Bandung. It combines an incredible food court experience with gorgeous scenery, water rides and fun cultural zones. If you're looking for a mix of nature, culture and great food, or just somewhere to escape the crowds, Bandung is 100% definitely worth adding to your list. Bandung really is one of those places that completely sneaks up on you, from the cool mountain air in Lembang to the coffee-fueled energy down on Braga Street. So if this gave you a little travel inspiration for your own trip across West Java and something to add to the bucket list, please be sure to hit that like button. Click on the notification bell to never miss any updates or videos, and why not consider subscribing to the channel for more content. So we'll see you in the next one. Till next time.